Hello, Namaskarams. I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. In this video, we can look at an HR practical problem which is normally faced by many HR managers in the organization. Mr. Sunil is working as a AGM production in a unit in Chennai. The company is headquartered at Chennai, and the company wanted to transfer Mr. Sunil as GM to their plant in Kanpur. Now, what are the alternatives available, or what are the methodologies available for the management to convey this and make sure that Sunil goes to Kanpur? One is they can prepare a transfer order and then give it to Sunil and ask him to go to Kanpur, because he is promoted as GM. Obviously, there are benefits also will be additional benefits will be there. The consequence of this particular action is that Sunil may agree to it or he may not agree to it. If he agrees, then there is no problem for the management. If he does not agree, and if he says there is his family circumstances will not allow him to go to Kanpur, that is, will not allow him to leave Chennai, then that will be another consequence. The second is the management, before preparing the transfer order, they could have asked the HR team to talk to Sunil and hint what is there in the minds of the management. That time, Sunil would have given his problems and the circumstances of his family. That would have given the management and the HR team some time to think over and prepare a very lucrative transfer order. Third is, even after preparing a lucrative transfer order, if Sunil refuses to go to Kanpur, then perhaps you can ask them to consult their family members and then take a decision, give him some time and then allow him to take the decision after consulting all the family members. Suppose even after that it is negative, then you can call the family members, particularly his wife, and then discuss. The HR team or management can discuss with Sunil and his family members about the prospects of moving to Kanpur in the long run as well as in the short run. If all these things can happen, then perhaps the family circumstances, which may look very big, perhaps it gives him an idea, or it gives him a thought that it can be solved with some external help, and then he may change his decision to go to Kanpur. Normally what happens is, if you align your goals and vision along with the goals and vision of the company, then you grow faster and you have smooth ride in that particular company. That is the way most of the CEOs have grown in many organizations. So here, Sunil need to be educated on those parameters. Secondly, if you have any family problem, it may look big when you think about it on your own. But if you consult your family members and others and experts in that particular area, that problem may look very small, and then you will have a lot of solutions to solve that particular problem. It is like holding a small stone very near to your eyes. It may look very big. But if you hold the stone slightly away from the eyes, it may look small. And if you still away, some more feet away from your eye, it will look very small, because we are able to look at the bigger picture of the environment. Maybe that principle can be applied here by Sunil, or the management and HR team can make him realize and request him to apply those principles so that he can accept the offer to transfer to Kanpur. All these things will be done provided Sunil is a very good asset to the company, and that is the reason they have transferred him to Kanpur with the new position as GM and with lot of benefits. I hope the analysis of this particular case will be useful to all the HR employees. If you like this video, share this video with your HR team members and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.